AOL C1625 series cutting machine. The whole machine is 3640mm long * 3280mm wide * 1220mm high. The actual cutting platform area is 160 cm wide and 250 cm long. The weight is 1100 kilograms and has standard 8-zone vacuum absorption. You can also choose 12/16 zone absorption. It should be noted that the standard configuration does not include a desktop computer because ordinary computers can do the work. Gaskets are mainly used for sealing. Common materials for gaskets are asbestos, non-asbestos, rubber, graphite, and silicone. Usable knives for cutting gaskets include oscillation knife, pneumatic knife, and milling tool. Pin materials are suitable for cutting with oscillation knives. Materials like soft graphite, asbestos, non-asbestos, rubber, silicone, etc. The knife can easily create a smooth cutting edge. Thick materials are suitable for pneumatic knife to achieve better cutting results. When encountering very hard materials, such as PTFE gasket materials, need milling tool to make gasket, and the milling cutter will be equipped with a vacuum cleaner, no cleaning troubles. Whether it is round, square, flange gasket or special shaped pattern, these knives can do the job. The above is an introduction to the gasket cutting machine. Another point is that AOL will configure according to the voltage and socket requirements of each country. For all the machines, we will pack them in wooden boxes. It will be packed very well before shipping. If you have any further questions, please contact AOL for more details.